Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're fine and good. Now, like be many of my friends asking me, please, you will be making video about Dino Life. So this is the more interesting video for you guys because many of people asking to me, demand me on this video, and please, you will be making this video and how to complete with this phase. Like be two starting tapping plus two and complete the phase one and complete phase two, complete phase three. This is the more interesting game, like be using your fingers, tapping, no tapping. Okay, I will be already download this game and I will be completely guide to you. Just to be, I will be clicking on this game because I will be already download this game. This is the more hard game. Oh my god! Because why? Because just to be using your fingers tapping now. They're loading littles. Okay, starting to menu. In 1 minute, guys, this is the game on your fingers. You will be checking, just to be tapping on this finger because I will be already told to you this is the more like be I feel to be hard game, not to be easy because they all of so much hard game. Just to be using your typing your fingers, crack on this egg, then you will be completely this game complete now. You will be checking how much I will be using my fingers depend on your games. Just to be using on my fingers how much I will be completed with these games. Just to be using three fingers, okay guys, just to be using three fingers and tap on this the fast, and before you will be exercise now on your fingers and you will be complete with this task. They all of so much hard this game, like we waste of this time because I feel this is the not good game because much like be clicking now and then you will be I will be completed my face. 1 million stepping on this game, then you will be starting this like we finish this game. So this is the all about, this is the more to be hard. I'm not asking to you playing this game because this is the more hard games. I will be using four fingers. Check now. Tap on fast so you will be finish these games. You will be see. So guys, this is the more hard game. Not to be playing this game. Already told to you not to be playing this game. They all of everything more hard. So because 1 million tapping on the finger and your if you tapping your fingers, so your fingers so much loss of pain. So if you like, so then you will be starting this game and not to be problem just because you will be playing this game. Just slapping on face and to be completed. to using checking on this games using 5 fingers. Checking on these games. So just to be using your finger fastly now, and how much you will be using your fingers, click and together using finger fifth and to be checking now these games. And to be easily complete to be this far, this is a more everything so hard, so bus only explanation you. Oh my god, my fingers pain. So thank you guys. If you like this playing, so you will be playing this game, but this is for me so hard, so thank you so much.